The very first thing you'll notice is how much easier it is to find what you're looking for. Right at the top of the page, you can start your search in two ways. By product. So if you already know you're working in Revit or AutoCAD, you start here. Or by industry, if you're thinking about your workflow from top down. Once you are in the results, the expanded filtering options mean you cut straight to what's relevant. Users can now narrow results across multiple dimensions simultaneously. By product, filtering specific product. By pricing, quickly isolating free versus paid solutions. By compatibility, both operating system and version compatibility, which is critical for production environments. By solution type, helping users match deployment needs and localization requirements.